Hello everyone, I'm Mohammad Khalid and welcome to my YouTube channel Physic-so-Mathematica Techno-Computa. So guys, in this video I'm going to show you how to uninstall VS Code. I guess you people found it hard to uninstall VS Code, so you might be searching in YouTube VS Code, how to uninstall VS Code. So guys, I'll say this is the perfect video to uninstall VS Code. So let's begin this video. So if you right click on mouse, here we'll be getting the option open with code. So basically we'll be opening the Visual Studio Code by clicking like this. So if you want to delete this one, Visual Studio Code, so just right click on this. So you'll be getting here delete option. If you delete from here, so as you can see the Visual Studio Code has been deleted, but if you right click again, you will be finding here this open with code option, which means the Visual Studio Code is not completely uninstalled from your desktop. So how to uninstall this Visual Studio Code? So what we have to do is we have to go in the search bar engine, below you will be having, so just right click on it and type Visual Studio Code, VS Code you type, and you will be getting the Visual Studio Code. So just right click on it and you will be getting the last option as uninstall. So if you click on it, so as you can see control panel has been open, and if you just scroll down you will be getting here Microsoft Visual Studio Code. If you just single click on it and then right click on it, you will be getting uninstall option. Just uninstall from here. See, it is saying that are you sure want to completely remove Visual Studio Code and all of its components? You just click on yes. So as you can see, the uninstallation process has been begun and it's completely done. So Visual Studio Code was successfully removed from computer showing. So just press OK. As you can see, there is no Visual Studio Code. Just cancel. If you now right click on mouse, you will be no more find the option as open with code, which means that VS Code is been completely uninstalled from your desktop. So thank you guys for watching.